Continuing with our sound boxes, we have videos for each of the sound groupings, giving ideas for objects for your sound boxes. And we are currently on this one, which is WXI, which is the 6th group out of 7. And it is a progression. You have to do box number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, and then you can do this box for WXI. And I will give you ideas of objects to look for this sound box. X. It. So remember, the vowels have a long and a short. So you'll need to teach long and short and look for objects. Wagon. I haven't taken this one out of its container. Ice cream. Ice cream. So this is the long sound. Watermelon. Watermelon. Warthog. 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 Here's another watermelon. Watermelon. Indian. Indian. Waffle. Here's another wagon to rotate out. You only need 2 or 3 objects in the basket for each one. I'm just giving you all of what I have so that you can see. Wallet. X. X. Whale. Whale. Woman. Woman. So I have 2 different, I can rotate these out. I have another Indian. Wings. I have a different X. X. Worm. Worm. Wiener. Wiener for a hot dog. This is a different kind of wagon. It goes on the railroad tracks. A wagon for the railroad tracks. Wheelbarrow. Wheelbarrow. And then I have several X's if you want to put that. X is a tough one. It's really hard to find things for X. This is the sound box for WXI to teach the sounds. Hopefully that was helpful. We'll go on to our last sound box that I'll just do right now because, to be honest, all I have is 2 zebras in this sound box because I don't have a queen. I have some yarn, but I haven't put it in there. So this is probably the harder of the sound boxes to find objects for. But again, always put like a cheat sheet inside if you can. You can laminate it and just lay it in the bottom or lay it up against the side, but I taped over mine so it won't get all messed up. But it has the words that they can spell at this point once they've done the sound box. I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions, let me know. I will go to the next shelf on the next video and talk about games that help teach language to your children, educational games. I look forward to hearing your feedback, and thank you for watching.